Public debt importance, 10 marks. Public debt refers to the borrowings by the government from internal and external sources to finance its expenditure. Public debt plays a significant role in economic development if used properly. Importance of public debt. Finances developmental projects. Provides funds for infrastructure, industries, irrigation, and social welfare projects that cannot be financed from current revenue. Bridges budget deficits. Covers the gap between government expenditure and revenue, ensuring smooth functioning of the economy. Stimulates economic growth. Mobilizes idle savings of the public and directs them toward productive investments, promoting capital formation. Manages economic stability. Used to control inflation, recession, and unemployment, maintaining fiscal and macroeconomic stability. Supports emergencies. Helps the government meet natural calamities, wars, epidemics, or unforeseen crises. Avoids excessive taxation. Borrowing allows the government to finance expenditure without overburdening taxpayers, maintaining social equity. Encourages public participation in development. Citizens contribute via government bonds, securities, and savings schemes, creating a sense of participation in national growth. Budget importance, 10 marks. A budget is a statement of estimated revenue and expenditure of the government for a particular period, usually a year. It is a primary tool of public finance. Importance of budget. Plan and control government expenditure. Helps in allocating funds efficiently for development, administration, defense, and social welfare. Promotes economic development. Provides resources for infrastructure, health, education, and industries, supporting growth. Redistributes wealth. Through taxation and expenditure, the budget reduces income inequalities and promotes social justice. Maintains fiscal discipline. Ensures revenue and expenditure are balanced, preventing excessive borrowing or deficits. Controls inflation and deflation. Adjusting taxation and spending helps stabilize prices and manage aggregate demand. Supports employment generation. Government spending under the budget creates job opportunities, reducing unemployment. Serves as a political and administrative tool. Shows government priorities and ensures accountability and transparency in public finance. Conclusion. Public debt is important for funding development, managing deficits, stabilizing the economy, and meeting emergencies. The budget is a vital instrument for planning, controlling expenditure, redistribution of wealth, and promoting economic growth. Together, public debt and the budget are essential tools of public finance to achieve economic stability, growth, and social welfare. Types of deficits, brief for 10 marks. In public finance, a deficit occurs when government expenditure exceeds its revenue. It indicates financial imbalance and is important for fiscal planning. 1. Revenue deficit. Occurs when revenue expenditure exceeds revenue receipts. Shows the government is unable to meet day-to-day expenses from its revenue. Example, salaries, pensions, and subsidies exceed revenue collected. 2. Budgetary deficit. Occurs when total expenditure exceeds total receipts, excluding borrowings. Indicates the overall gap between spending and income. Helps in understanding the funding requirement for government activities. 3. Fiscal deficit. Occurs when total expenditure exceeds revenue receipts plus non-debt capital receipts. Reflects the total borrowing requirement of the government. Formula. Fiscal deficit is equal to total expenditure, revenue receipts, plus non-debt capital receipts. 4. Primary deficit. Fiscal deficit excluding interest payments on past debt. Shows current borrowing for new expenditure, excluding debt servicing. Formula. Primary deficit is equal to fiscal deficit, interest payments. Conclusion. Deficits are necessary for development and economic stability, but indicate funding gaps. Revenue deficit shows routine shortfall, fiscal and primary deficits highlight borrowing needs, and budgetary deficit reflects the total financial gap. Understanding them is essential for fiscal planning, deficit financing, and economic management.